How many days are there in a week?
There are 7 days in a week.
Name the 7 days of the week.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Try English Anand says. Keep quiet. Sleep. Kadangat sa ko English apiti sa idam.
I am thirsty.
Tui kadon no me.
Miss, I want to drink water.
Anje lawing ho ko pikitiam.
Vegetable.
Anje lawing ho ko pikitiam.
Vegetable.
Maino ko English apikitiam.
Pumpkin.
Kopi ko English apikitiam.
Cabbage.
Gamsa ho ko English apikitiam.
Why animal?
Hingpung ko English apikitiam.
Twin.
Baca ho ko English apikitiam.
Bus.
Tui ko English apikitiam.
Water.
Inagan sa kiba ho ko English apikitiam.
Domestic animal.
Paca ko English apikitiam.
Why animal?
Asik. Menca ko English apikitiam.
Cat.
Uica ko English apikitiam.
Dog.
Very good. Give me 5.